minute, but I'm back now. And you know how to act now. I done left 11 voicemails. What you doing with now? But no, feel a little different, you know. Got the team with me. Boy Monte, you know what it is. Can't see us shaking hands, but fuck it is what it is. What are you call this? Resident Evil Part 1? Part 1? Because I'm playing the same game, but it's a lot better. You know, I seen y'all in the comment section on TikTok talking about my shit was moving 15 frames per second. But we gonna get up on it. New game it is. Hardcore it is, you know how I get. Tight shit, tight shit, tight shit.
Subtitles.
Huh?
Subtitles on.
You said what?
Subtitles on?
Oh no. Damn, it's too late.
Damn, I could have sworn I had the bitches on.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie. Do we need the bitches?
Yeah, you probably.
Fuck, we just changed it. We wait till the game starts. Fuck it. This ain't short anyway. We can't understand them anyway, so don't matter.
Or maybe that's all.
Boy, they just diced her ass. That nigga had herpes on his lip.
September 30th, 1998.
Yeah,
It's a day I'll never forget. The cop inside me died that day. The city was wiped out, thanks to the bioweapons created by
Liquid
Umbrella.
ass.
Somehow I made it out, but too many others weren't so lucky.
Boy, y'all know I made it out
I
there.
was asked later to join a top secret government
Boy,
program.
clean as hell.
Not that I had a choice. The training, punishing missions, nearly killed me. But at least I kept my mind off everything. If I could just forget what happened that night. The pain, even for a second. This time, it can be different. It has to.
Has to. It's that little bleach shit.
I forgot they played that.
So tell me, Yankee, why did you come to this horrible
Nobody
place?
sees.
As close to nowhere that I've ever seen.
Let's just say, looking for someone.
They got damn.
That someone must be very important, huh? The chief gave the orders himself. Help him, he said.
I'm sure you boys didn't come all the way out here to roast marshmallows.
Boy, he like he got a unibrow.
You have a strange sense of humor. I'm gonna let you in on a little secret. Just between us. A lot of people have gone missing around here.
Shit, you
And
next.
it's been that way for a while now.
Well then, should be just another day in the office, right?
I mean, last week there was a search for some missing hikers.
I'm sure you'll do
I
your
don't
best to
know what
help.
jackass was hiking. Boy, they in the station wagon, boy.
I think this is it.
Nature
Thing to
calls,
say.
huh? I'll be right back.
The coat.
The game.
Oh, these bitches do look clean and shit. Fortnite boots.
Qué frío.
¿Te has bebido el bar entero?
Yeah, this bitch clean as fuck. And it's keeping up really good. That boy smoking a cig with a stress in that
You
ass.
smoke?
No,
Hell no,
boy, put
nigga.
that shit back. With a cig looking ass.
Some shit about to pop off.
Yeah,
Vaya sitio más tétrico.
bro, nobody want to watch this nigga piss?
Hey, ¿hay alguien ahí?
Curiosity killed the cat. He's cooked. That boy does.
He sure is taking his time. Did he fall in? Maybe you better go and take a look.
Who talks like that?
They finna send niggas on a dummy, bro.
Boy, them niggas cooked anyway.
Oh, watch the car. Wouldn't want to get a parking ticket.
Boy, you better
Thanks for
off
helping
now.
me.
That boy better off helping now. Let's get it cooking. Hey, would you wear that jacket though?
Hell no.
I feel like I can swag it.
If it's what?
I think I can. Black would look
Black,
better
yeah.
though. You know, like I probably could have did blue. The brown just ain't. Yeah, I don't know. The brown just ain't hitting like that, bro.
See this tape so long.
Ain't this your boo? It's like no. I forgot to run, bro. How you run over? Forgot to. Oh, clicking the stick. I'm stupid. 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 Clicking the stick.
Bro, I gotta help your dog, bro. He probably out here
Bro.
struggling, bro.
He ain't Resident Evil, bro. He not making it, bro. That boy wouldn't have made it if
How
nothing.
far could he have gone?
Why would he even walk this far to use the bathroom, bro? I would have hit one of these bushes, kept it pushing. How bad you think this smell? Like, keep it in.
Yeah, probably couldn't be in there, bro. Nowhere near the area.
Would you eat this? Like, how much would it? How much would you eat this for?
Nah, you probably die to eat this. You ain't gonna see the money.
But we got doctors on standby.
Boy, they can't save you from that.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, you could. I'm a soul searcher. Hey, maybe we should turn the brightness up. It's a little dark. Or it is good. What you think?
Man, you the one that adjusted it. I guess it's how the game was.
Oh, I thought this was a cutscene. He opened the door so slow.
It looked clear. It looked,
Anyone home?
It looked like bright on these scenes. It's just be outside. I think that's how the game goes. Shit.
It's gonna get brighter. It's gonna get brighter on the game, though. I already know what to do to a degree. How you even adjustments, man? How you read that? See Sarah El Juicio.
That mean there's no juice.
Nigga, did you just what?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not what that mean. What are you talking about? Did you just read that?
Yeah.
That's not what that mean, bro. It literally say Justin is not right there. What you talking about? Boy, tweaking.
Why would they have just judgment?
Bro, it's Spanish, bro. Why you judging it? What?
Juicio is Spanish. Just.
Don't know how to get to that. Have you watched this? The gameplay? No.
No.
You never watched none of this?
Mm-mm.
No. Why he walking like that?
Sorry to barge in like this.
He got piss running on his leg or something. Stiff ass.
Busco a un policía. Vino aquí?
That boy speaks Spanish? What's the word? Bilingual?
Yeah.
Okay, Mr. Bilingual. You turned your back on the stranger? Boy, blocking that with a knife is crazy. I'm not gonna lie. Fix your neck, bitch.
Hey, shoot that nigga, bro.
That nigga out of there. Bro, imagine kicking a nigga so hard you broke his
Yeah,
neck.
you gotta make sure they down here, bro.
Bro, is he missing a thumb?
Not good.
Oh no, it's right there.
Man, that stinks.
That nigga here eating bullshit.
I ain't gonna lie, there's no way he was eating that. How does fruit still in? Oh, never mind, that shit molded. Yeah, Brody ass cooked. What he got his badge for? That boy cooked. He keeping his badge as a memento, as a souvenir and shit. You wasn't lying, it is hot in this bitch. You got this motherfucker fast. It's getting hot in here. Oh, I got the blicky on me. I got the blicky on me. I got the blicky on me. I got the blicky. I got the blicky on me. I got the blicky.
Hey,
That boy out of there. What he kill him with? What he choking him there?
I read you. What's your
That boy
situation?
killed. No, he ain't alive.
What the hell's going on?
Operation figure it out.
Pretty good, shit.
Well, I'm like that.
What was that? No fucking way.
You see that bitch
No
fat?
fucking way. They got 4 bullets left.
I can't get my shit back. I can't use the knife. They got a them bitches break on here with they lame ass. It did not used to be like that. Hey, I'd have left this part with 0 bullets left. I'll take 4. Better than nothing. I'm finna be running anyway.
You was this on hardcore?
Yeah.
You built for hardcore?
Nigga, I'm like that, nigga. Don't ever test my gangster, nigga. I'm like that. Fuck that. I'm like that, but I ain't like that. You got it. Thunderstars. Where the ammo at, bro? I'm good. I'm good. Boy, she like a rock star.
Bruce, this is Condor 1.
Hunnigan here. What's your sit rep?
Ooh, that's my baby mama.
It's likely she's in this village.
Our intel was correct then. Well done.
Need a location on a nearby lake. She may have been taken there.
Copy that. I'll see what I can find.
What you trying to get
Hurry
into
up.
though?
Something's happened to the people here. My escorts are. Gotta go. Talk later.
I'm you.
Myself up.
Quiet ass. And I ain't never seen nothing like you. Yes. That nigga ugly, boy. That nigga ugly as fuck. This nigga got a booty chin. On the original, that's
Yeah,
not,
you gonna let them run you out the crib like that, bro?
man, fuck that crib. That ain't my house. They can have that motherfucker. It's crazy because this is not how that scene went on the original type shit. You actually got to kill them niggas. I'm sick as hell. Only got 4 bullets though. Imagine you walking in the only direction you can go and all you see is a fucking blood trail going across a bridge. I'm like that, nigga. I'm like that. A street general. Wow.
Yeah, but it's on 12.
I'm a blessed young man. I'm gonna live to see another day. I get like that. I'm like that. Real niggas say the game.
Remember to say it again.
Remember say the game for sure. Cause I might not make it to see the next one.
Where the smoke at, bro?
Yo, why is like a nigga breathing?
Yo, where is that nigga at?
Somebody over here. There you go.
Yeah, ain't got no hollow tips, bro.
Fucking bitch. Bitch. Lay him down like a baby boy. Pick it up. Oh, I got a little scared. Where he at? Fix your neck, bitch. Dumbass. Oh yeah, say something. Come on. Cestas. Casetas. Am I saying that shit right? That's probably the easiest that part ever been. Them boys usually be ganging up. It's twin him. Goodbye, Tony.
Man, you guys shot in the bear trap, bro. That is so sorry, bro.
You said what?
You got caught in the bear trap, bro.
Bro, you ain't see that either, bro.
Bro, that bear trap big as hell.
It looked like that. No, it didn't just look like that, bro.
Why you stepping so way to the side for? Oh, that's a nigga.
I need a game plan for that chainsaw dude, bro. Alright, bro, I already know it. Bro. I ain't got no gunpowder. Have to reload, keep pushing. I only got 20 bullets. I'm cooked. And I'm at the village, I'm cooked. And I'm going back at the... What the fuck was that?
Somebody threw a head at you.
Ugh. They left that shit on the door? I ain't gonna lie, bro. It's all bad. Damn, they torched his ass. That could have been us.
It's gonna be you.
Shit, not the way I'm finna be running. Fuck out of here. I'm finna throw on the motherfucking skates. This how you gotta get it, right? See how she looking all bold? She thinks she's sweet. This how you gotta get this dumbass bitch. You gotta catch her lacking. Fuck she go? See, the thing is, you gotta kill all the outsiders first. Where the fuck is she at? She's supposed to walk back that way. There's a bitch over there. Man, she finna pick me up. This bitch taking too long. Bro, let me find out they changed it. There she goes. Oh, I get like that. But I thought I seen somewhere. I got a little nervous. You gotta catch these niggas lacking. Told you, bro. I get like that, bro. Look at that. Switch your semi skills. Bro, I'm burning up, bro. Why am I so hot? Nope. Hell no. Boy, I thought somebody behind me. I got a little nervous. My heart finna start racing. Ooh, what's it finna start racing?
I don't feel like you standing on business, bro.
Bro,
Like you said, you was built, bro.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie. It's the heat, man. It's getting to me. It's a little hot. Ain't hot to you?
Nah.
You hot, bro?
Nah.
A little hot. I don't know, man. You think I ain't like that? You think I ain't like that?
Yeah, I don't think he's
Nigga, I don't like that. Watch this.
He wasn't so hardcore.
Yeah.
He built for hardcore.
Nigga, I don't like that, nigga. Don't ever test my gangster, nigga. Oh shit, wrong house, wrong house. Wait, hold on. Hold on. Hold on. Wrong house. Wrong house. Alright, Diz, you got this. Alright. I got this. I just gotta lock in.
It's my lucky day.
Oh, nice.
Get the fuck out of here, stupid ass boy.
Yeah, put that side to the body, bro.
Bro, nobody wanna craft no goddamn handgun, please. That shit ain't good enough, bro. I'm starting off with a pistol though. It's all bad. Oh, he like that? I didn't know he was coming like that.
Here you go.
Dumbass. Bitch! Oh shit, wrong spot! I think that shit hit.
That nigga eating that shit.
Fuck that shit. Come on. No! Run, nigga! Run, nigga, run!
Get over here!
Move, bitch!
What's wrong with these niggas, bro?
Fuck that shit. Oh shit! Weave? Dumbass boy. Goofy? Fuck. I can't even craft no more. Oh man, I can't even craft no more shotgun. I can't waste on weak niggas, bro. It's bad.
That nigga fast as shit, bro.
Bro, he ate that shit.
How the fuck you running with that big ass?
I don't know, bro. I'm tired of this nigga. He can piss me off, bro. I'm running out of shotgun shells. Bro, they need to keep getting up, bro. I'm finna run again, bro. It's that. Oh, I'm gone. Fuck on. Oh, no! It's bad. Fuck, I'm out of fucking grenades and everything. Wrong gun.
Stay down.
Alright, you down now. That should be easy.
I still got this whole gang of niggas.
He was pressing your ass, mother. But he missed a whole lot of shots.
You were about the wrong shit, nigga. I'm trying to leave. Damn, she tried to get my stupid ass. Bro, them niggas deep as fuck, and I ain't got no shotgun.
Gotcha, bitch.
Yeah, time for plan B. Time for plan B. Time for plan B, nigga. Fuck that shit. Oh! Hold on, we can talk this out. I ain't even like that for real, bro. You know, I just be talking.
Yeah, it's pressing your ass, boy.
La campana.
Pressing your ass, full court press, bro.
That nigga's a full court, bro. Oh my god, that nigga had my heart fucking racing, bro.
Ain't no way you should be able to carry that fucking chainsaw like that, run around and shit, bro.
Bro, that nigga was catching up to me so fast. It's not
That
even.
nigga was fast.
What's the RC? What's the recording time?
3250.
It's a bit. You went in there.
Yeah, it's cause
Boy, this. This shit got me sweating, dude. It's hot as hell. Oh my gosh.
Where's everyone going? Bingo?
Somebody some fucking bingo, nigga. This nigga got time to make jokes while he fighting for this life. Type of shit,
Resident Evil
man.
4, man.
Real nigga save. Remember that. Alright, man. That's it for today, man. My fucking heart can't take no more, bro. I need a motherfucking heart transplant.
Gotta stand my business, bro.
I think I stood on business though, real nigga.
Yeah, you ain't die.
Yeah.
You ain't die.
Luckily. Well, I don't think I ever killed the chainsaw dude before. At least not on this part. I even when I played the original, like I was like, nah, that boy be something different. But yeah, appreciate y'all boys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, things of that nature. Your boy Dez off. Nigga, say your name or something, damn.
Oh, my name Latte.
Alright, man, DTS, man, y'all boys stay grinding. We out.